Alright guys, so we're doing review for what day is it? May 12th. This was for yesterday. This is when I got my $1,500 payout from Topstep, alright? I'll show you guys the proof. Boom. Funds sent. Took literally 2 minutes after they checked out the stuff. Used AeroPay. 1,500. Ooh, I forgot that the certificate shows my name, and I don't feel like blurring that out. But yeah, here we go, 1,500 there. So counter reset. We have money in the bank account now. All right, that's the most important part of prop firms. It's like, yeah, sure, maybe you made $1,000 in one trade, but does it really fucking matter if none of it goes to your bank and you end up blowing it all in the last few trades, anyways? Exactly. So that's like the key thing here, and that's why we're trying to get money in the bank account. We got 1,500. I'm very comfortable. I'm honestly considering having a bank account only for trading stuff, so I can just like either A, take it out, put more in my personal account, or B, pay myself out of my personal account, and reinvest it back in prop firms. Prop firms, I'm still kind of on the edge about. I'm kind of contemplating whether I just shove this all into my personal account and just trade heavier size maybe. But I feel like prop firms are a pretty good ROI because the way you gotta look at it isn't that, oh, you're making you're making $500 even though the max payout is $2,000, because most people will blow up before they even get to that $2,000 payout. And it's like, yeah, sure, like I got plenty of times I reached like a 1K payout for like 3 accounts. But the problem is, if I was thinking, oh no, I should just max it out. Like that's an easy goal to hit. But it's like, no, if I get to that point, the way I trade significantly changed because I'm trading so conservatively. Like I'll only take like 30 points, take profits, even though my trade runs for like a 300, which I'll show you guys today. But like it just gets to the point where I'm losing too much. Like my trade management is being hindered because I haven't had any money go to my bank account yet from trading prop firms. So it's honestly better to like see as like I spent $100 on this eval, I get 500. That's a 5 ROI investment, right? It's not, oh, I could have had 10 ROI or 20 ROI. No, I had a 5 ROI investment by trading and actually withdrawing instead of like letting the prop firm like fuck me over for the next few days, right? Like until the bank money hits your bank account, none of it is real. Like technically, I've been making $0 off of prop firms until now, until I took that $1,500 payout, and yeah, by requesting it early, it's like now I have $1,500 to spend on more eval than shit, and it's like now I have 15 chances. I have 15 chances at getting another payout. You know what I'm saying? Like, does the math check out to you guys? It's like the whole point is to try to get more money back than you spent, and you will. And then after you hit that ROI, now you got exponentially more chances, right? So yeah, I wanted to get that out the way. So now we're $1,500 out of $10,000 of our trading goal, right? I can be $3,000 to our trading goal, but I'm still considering whether I want to take money out yet or not. I probably will and just reset the goal. Like I'll just play with whatever profit I have past 1,500 and use that to trade conservatively up and then up my risk again, like I've been doing on my personal account. But yeah, personal account is like, it really is a move because um you're not limited by all these prop firm rules, and it really does just make the game like that much fucking harder because there's all these there's just all these rules, like, and you gotta hit this, and a lot of times like it's just not meant, or especially if the prop firm has consistency or trailing drawdowns. Like personal account trading is just so much easier than prop firms. And that's why they make prop firms harder, because yes, you can leverage 1 to 5 ROI and you're not trading your own funds, quote unquote, but it's like you also get the benefit of withdrawing whenever you want. So I might honestly withdraw another 1,500 just so I can be $7,000 away from my new goal. But anyways, enough of the rant. We are going to go review the day. So these are the trades that that made me or helped me reach payout. And yes, I could have managed these a lot better, but again, it's like that mental barrier of like not having had that prop from payout yet that was making me suffer, right? So anyways, let's go. So yeah, we got multiple fair value points here. Like first it was this, and this is what drops price. Like overnight I tried taking a trade right here, but I got stopped at break even on this retrace, even though it ultimately ended up working. But yeah, I mean, I had a pretty good idea that price was going to go down because we had fair value here. We re-auction, create new fair value here. We move, price moves back into 15-minute supply in the morning. And then I'll show you guys the 15-minute zone I had marked. Look, so drop, base, drop, boom, 15-minute zone. All right, re-auction, move back, okay? And I'm thinking, okay, maybe we can short here, but I want to wait for extra confirmation. If I could have just taken that straight up and had a like $25 or 25-point stop loss, that would have been fine. But what I opted for was waiting for confirmation. So I had to miss this leg pretty much. Well, actually, I didn't fully miss it because I ended up taking a trade right here, or because a 5-minute zone developed. A 5-minute zone developed right here. And yeah, I mean, on my prop firm accounts, because I had a feeling that the 15-minute was working, I was kind of just waiting for this retrace and waiting for a reversal on the lower time frames. And I ended up seeing one with this candle here where we had an inside candle. We had an inside candle, and this was before the 5-minute zone got created, but we did have a SIBI here. So I was theorizing that we were actually rejecting off of this. Yeah, SIBI, FEG, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, we end up going down, and then we retrace back into 5-minute supply. This was my main trade right here. After I saw that rejection, yeah, just literally just by gauging the reaction, I was like, okay, I think this is gonna move down, and entered short. And yeah, I mean, I took profit early because I was just trying to get that payout, and we ended up going down the entire day pretty much because there was no demand for 300 points. This was another entry right here, quick retrace into his 1-minute zone, and I think the real trade would have been this. I think if I were to have a runner, I would have had it done something like this because there really is no demand leading down here. Like if you were tracking it on the way up, all you could really think was that there was like nothing was just gonna stop because we were coming down from 15-minute supply, so these 5-minute zones should have failed unless bulls were just that fucking crazy strong. But I mean, this move kind of tells you, yeah, this is most likely going to be bearish. And then yeah, we end up bouncing at the 4-hour demand zone, and I didn't personally catch any trades on the up go or on the up reversal, but there were plenty of opportunities. Maybe one here or here. Honestly, yeah, just taking a bullish FEG, you would have had you definitely would have had some opportunities. You would have had a wide ass stop though. Like these are 30-40 point stops, so it would have been kind of hard to play personally, but there were opportunities on this reversal. I just knew we were bullish here, period. That's pretty much what I'm trying to say. We are bullish here, period. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the review. That $10,000 payout is coming soon.